In this video today, we're talking about the brand new Insta360 Go 3 and why I think it's one of the best cameras for vlogging on the market in 2023. Number one is the bigger battery. This has a new and improved battery life compared to the Go 2, the previous generation. On the actual standalone camera itself, which is this tiny little camera, which we'll talk about just in a second, is 45-minute battery. And then combined with the brand new Action Pod, which is a whole nother section of this video, you get up to 173 minutes of battery life. So in comparison to something like the GoPro, that's 3 times better than the GoPro. This is a fantastic battery. This uses the battery when it's out of there. This is effectively like a charging case for the camera. So it uses the battery, and then when you pop it back in, a little red light comes on to let you know that it's bumping up the battery on that device for next time you want to take it out, but you've still got the battery built in to this. So great battery life, 173 minutes up to that period of time. You're gonna have battery all day, no matter what you're doing. Reason number two is the flip up screen. Yes, you heard me right. This tiny little device has a flip up screen. Not only that, it's 2.2 inches, so it's pretty big. It's bigger than the GoPro's front facing screen. So you can frame your shot and you can see what you're doing. It's touch screen as well, so you can change the settings while it's facing towards you if you want to. Brilliant. The fact that it's got that is an absolute sort of clutch feature for me. Definitely is. Are you coming down to land? Oh, there. Whoa! Oh my God. Well, you're gonna go into the tree. Jake is just landing the drone, and then we'll talk about the mounting system, which is brilliant. You have to land it on the chair, probably, dude. You have to land it on the chair. Stop! Move out the way, move out the way. Go that way. No. You're gonna have to just land it there, dude. Just drop it down. Go back a bit, go back a bit. Jesus Christ, that was stressful. All he was doing was go... Oh, that was exciting. The other great thing about this camera for little adventures for the everyday person is that it's light and portable. It's so light. I mean, it's small and portable in this sort of form factor, but then when you take it out of this Action Pod, I mean, it's even tinier. It's so small. It's actually a little bit bigger than the previous version, but that's to allow for the new clipping system and the bigger battery that's in there. But it's still very tiny. So for traveling, this would be the perfect camera. Light, portable, hardly know that it's in your pocket. It's smaller than the GoPro, smaller than every other action camera out there. Really is a tiny next generation of camera from Insta360. Okay, the next thing on the list is the mounting options. It comes with this new magnetic mount, which attaches magnetically, and then it's got 2 metal clips on the bottom of the Action Pod. So it magnetizes, and you've got this. You can put this on the bottom of a tripod. It's got a 1/4 inch on the bottom. If you want to use a standalone camera on its own, you can take it out the Action Pod. Like I mentioned before, you've got the new clips on here, and it magnetizes to that alone as well. So standalone, you can use this new swivel mount with that. Take it off, put it back in the Action mount, mount it to the Action Pod. That is the new mounting system for the Action Pod and the standalone camera with this new swivel head. It does come with a sticky mount on the bottom of this, but I've taken that off. It just unscrews, so I can put a tripod on it. Next, you've got the new magnetic pendant, which actually is on me at the moment. So you take the Go 3 out of the Action Pod, magnetizes on there for POV shots. So we're walking and talking. By the way, we can use this as a remote shutter, so I can press record on this and it records on the camera. Another cool feature. So now we're doing POV work. You can see what's going on. You can see Jake in the background with his top off probably. He's doing his sunbathing. And then you can use this and you can turn it the other way, like so. So it's got landscape mode, or you can have it in the new free frame video mode, which gives you horizon lock no matter which orientation you put the camera in. That is available in 1440p, 50 frames per second, which I've just introduced before the release of this camera. So the mounting options are crazy. The other thing that does come in the box is the Easy Clip, which attaches to your cap or other strap, and then you plonk it in there, and then you can have another POV view of you like driving a car, for instance. Do a time shift with you driving the car. Another great option. All of these accessories and all these mounts come in the box. It's great. It's one of the only cameras that does come with all these kind of mounts already in the box. You don't have to buy them separately, so you can get creating content straight away. The next reason I really fully recommend this is the improved audio. Now we've got audio, 2 microphones built in this, combined with the Action Pod as well. You've got better audio built in. It just sounds really good, really clear. Your voice sounds exceptionally clear and crisp, and it just makes for a better viewing experience for whoever's looking at your videos. Audio is just as important as video, if not a little bit more important. So having great, crisp, quality audio really does make a difference to the videos. So that is my fifth. Is that fifth? I think that's my fifth reason why this makes one of the best vlogging cameras you can buy at the moment. Another quick point is that you can actually start recording with the Go 3 in the Action Pod, and then you can take it out as it's recording and magnetise it somewhere and it's still recording. So I'm using this to see what my screen is, my field of view, and you can check and preview your image to make sure you're in frame. It's just, this is great, really do love this. But my final point is stabilisation. Stabilisation is really important for any kind of video. GoPro led the way for a long time with their Hypersmooth, but now Flow State is just as good. You've got 3 levels on this camera. You've got level 1, which is just for sort of vlogging, talking and walking, which looks great, keeps your footage nice and steady. You've got level 2, and then you've got level 3, which is the highest one for sort of mountain biking, action sports. You've also got, don't forget, that free frame video mode. That's the new video mode that keeps the horizon locked and keeps everything really steady. It is only available in 1440p up to 50 frames per second, so that's great for action sports. And then to get even better quality out of the image, little pro tip is to put it into the desktop studio that Insta360 have and export it in 4K, and then it sort of tricks YouTube into thinking that it's better quality than it is, so you still get that good quality on your YouTube videos. So stabilisation, really, really important, and this has great stabilisation. Flow State is really, really good, and I've been so impressed with it. So overall, this camera, those are my sort of 6 reasons. I hope I did 6. I think I did 6. I did 6. Those are my 6 reasons why this is the best personal vlogging, day-to-day, holiday, adventure, action camera at the moment. It's brand new. It's really good. I really do like it, and still can't get over the fact it's got a flippy screen. That's awesome. If you do want to grab one, there will be a link in the description. That is an affiliate link, so if you buy for that link, I think Insta360 give you a free gift, so I'll double check on that if you purchase through my link, and it does help this channel grow, so I really appreciate it if you do buy through that link. Subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We've got loads of stuff coming on this camera and other action cameras coming really soon, so stay tuned. See you on the next one. Bye guys.